did early browser wars affect web developers? Imagine a time when the internet was just starting to take shape, and every new website had to fight to look good everywhere. That's what the early browser wars were all about. It was a fierce competition between Netscape Navigator and Microsoft Internet Explorer that changed everything for web creators. When Internet Explorer came out in 1995, it challenged Netscape's lead. Netscape responded by introducing JavaScript, which let websites do more than just show static pages. Microsoft quickly added cascading style sheets, or CSS, which made websites look better and more flexible. This back and forth pushed both companies to improve their browsers fast. For web developers, this meant they had to write code that worked on both browsers. But each browser had its quirks and supported different features. So developers had to test their sites on both Netscape and Internet Explorer, which was often a slow and frustrating process. They had to fix bugs and adjust code for each browser's specific way of rendering pages. This made web development more complicated but also more innovative. Developers started learning new techniques to make sites look good everywhere. They used JavaScript to add interactivity and CSS to control layout and design. The competition also led to the rise of open-source projects like Mozilla, which came from Netscape's decision to open its code. This move allowed many developers to contribute and improve the browser, making the web more open and accessible. During this time, web developers had to stay constantly updated with new browser versions and features. They learned to write flexible code that could adapt to changes quickly. This skill became a key part of web development in the years that followed. Looking back, the chaos of the early browser wars was exciting. It was a time of rapid change and innovation that laid the foundation for how websites work today. For those who experienced it, it was a wild ride of slow dial-up connections, new technologies, and the thrill of making websites that worked everywhere. All this competition pushed developers to think creatively and build better tools, shaping the internet we know now.